So yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel Experimental Guy Ayush, and today we are going to make hazard plus brake light. So let's go. So guys, for making the indicator we need battery, one SPST switch and one DP/DT switch, 3 pins, LED lights, wire, aluminium foil, Fevicol, tape, cardboard and scissor. So let's go. So guys, first of all I will show you the circuit diagram. You can see DP/DT switch, SPST switch, 4 LEDs and a battery. First of all you have to do, connect the all negative sides together. After connecting two LEDs in pair, connect them together. And now we have one wire left, which will be our negative. Now connect all the positive wires together. Straight go to DP/DT switch and will be connected to one terminal, and the other will connect to this end of the DP/DT switch. After connecting both the wires with the DP/DT switch, connect the negative wire to the negative side of the battery. Now connect one wire from the middle terminal of the DP/DT switch and connect it to the positive side of the battery. And now our indicator light is ready, but we have to make hazard light also. So connect two wires from SPST switch and join one wire from the first terminal of the DP/DT switch and the second with the third terminal of the DP/DT switch. And now our indicator plus hazard light is ready. Let's see the process. So guys, first of all take a piece of cardboard and cut it in a rectangular shape. So you can see I have cut the two pieces. Now cover it with the tape. After covering it with the tape, take aluminium foil and cover it. After sticking the aluminium foil, make small holes to fit the LEDs. So guys, after making the holes, fix the LEDs. So guys, you can see that I have fixed the LEDs and folded the positive legs. Now as you have seen the circuit diagram, we have to connect the positive legs together and all the 4 negative legs together. So let's connect. So guys, you can see I have connected the positive legs, and now we will move to the switch part. So you can see I have taken one DP/DT switch and connected 3 wires. Now take one SPST switch and connect the wires. So guys, you can see I have connected the wires. Now connect one wire with the first terminal of the switch of the DP/DT switch and the second wire with the third terminal of the switch. So now take the LEDs and connect the wires. You can see I am connecting the wires. Connect one wire with the positive leg and second with the second light. Now connect all the negative sides together. So guys, you can see that I have connected all the negative wires together. If you have any problem, then you can comment in the comment box to ask me. Now this wire will be attached to the battery's negative side. Now take the switch and connect one wire with the positive terminal of the first LED and this third terminal to the second indicator. Now from the second terminal of the DPTT switch, the wire will be connected in the positive side of the battery. So you can see our hazard light plus indicator light is ready. For indicator light, you have to do is switch off the SPST switch and simply on the DPTT switch. You can see if I will turn on the left button, our left indicator will be on. See, and if I will on the right side, then our right indicator will be on. See, and for the hazard light, you have to do is switch on the SPST switch and then press any side of the DPTT switch. See, you can see our both LEDs are now on and you can just simply turn it off. Thank you for watching. Now let's fix it in the cycle. So guys, first of all, take the indicators and fix it. So you can see I have connected both the LEDs, means indicator, and now we have two wires left, and I have joined it the negative wires together. Now I am using a copper wire to connect it with the battery so that it would be hidden. So you can see I have connected one wire which will be our negative wire. So now I will place my battery inside so that it would be safe from water. So now stick this wire till here. And also one of my friend commented to show the dogs. You can see this is my first dog. She is female and her name is Jenny. And I have one more dog whose name is Jimmy and he is a male. You can see he is Pomeranian and she is Rottweiler. You can see I have connected the wires which will be here and we will place the battery here. Now we will do the process of the switch. I will stick the switch here so that if I will turn the handle, the wire could get broke. So I am sticking it here with the help of double-sided tape. So now after sticking the switch, connect one wire from the middle which will be directly connected to the battery here. So now let's connect it. So you can see I have connected the wires here, and now we will connect the batteries here. So I have kept all the wires. Now we will connect some wires from the positive legs of the indicator to the terminals of the switch. So I have connected the wires, and now it will straight join with the first terminal of the switch. So you can see I have connected it with this switch, and now same we have to do on the other side. So you can see I have connected from both sides, and now let's stick the battery. So now I will stick the wires, battery, and now connect the wire coming out from the switch with its positive terminal, and the wire coming out from the negative terminal of the LED to the negative terminal of battery. If we have to go to right side, then click on the right button and our right side light will be on. And if we have to go to left, then simply on the left side and our left indicator will be on. You can see that's for today. Let's enjoy the cinematic shots. You can see our headlight is also working very good, and plus the brake light is also very fine. So you can see our brake light is also working very fine. Now let's see in the night. You can see my dog is sleeping right now.
Yeah.